Hello techies, this is CompTIA 19.1.2 and we're going to enforce password settings. As a security administrator for a small corporate network, you notice multiple temporary employees use the laptop in the lobby. You decided to use the local security policy tool to implement more stringent password controls or access local security policy. Search for and run Windows tools. In this lab, your task is to configure the following account policies. Password is provided. Password with upper and lower case and special characters are required. And let's go ahead and start up right away. We want to go to search from the start menu. And we're going to type in Windows Tools. Select Windows Tools. Under Windows Tools, we want to maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Go to Local Security Policy. Open this up and let's maximize this again. And we want to locate Account Policies. Under Account Policies, we want to expand this. Go to Password Policy and we want to enforce password history. So we go to enforce password history. Zero password, remember. Maximum password is 42 days. Minimum age 0 days. Okay, so we right click on this and here we want to, according to the tax, it's going to be 4. Go ahead and apply and click OK. And for the minimum password age, let's see what is given. Is anything given? So we go to minimum password length. Yes, for that we're given 10. We go ahead and apply and click OK. Let's see what else do we have. Password must change every 30 days. So store password using password must meet complexity. Let's see. Yeah. So here we're going to enable this and go ahead and apply and click OK. And then let's see what else are we to do. What else are we doing? Password length 10 is done. Minimum password age for the 2 days. No, for this it's gonna be 30 days. Go ahead and apply and click OK. And what else? Password maximum age rather is gonna be 2. Go ahead and apply and click OK. What else do we need to do here again? Let's go ahead and check our answers and let's see. Oh, we missed some things. A couple of things we still need to do. So we'll go to account lockout policy. Yeah, we missed this. So for account lockout policy, what are we to do? According to the tax, we'll go to lockout threshold, and this is going to be 4. Go ahead and apply and let's see. Okay, go ahead and click OK. Account lockout duration. Account lockout duration for this is going to be account lockout duration unlock. So this is going to be 60 minutes because it is actually 1 hour, but we'll put it at minutes, 60 minutes, and reset account lockout. So this, according to the tax given, this is supposed to be it's supposed to be 40. Go ahead and apply and click OK. Go back and check our answers, and this time everything is correct. If I find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need a longer video that is self-explanatory, that explains in details the reason for each action and step in this video, hit me through my email and I'm going to send you a longer video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.